right on deck and I'm stepping in the booth. And you know my rounds are illy, and you know that I'm the truth. I don't need left, I don't need right. And my third eye stay open, riding in the 6-4, only 3 wheel motion. Put the waves off in the ocean, just like you did you. But nigga, freak you, cause my favorite color true. And you know how we do, and you know I chop and screw. And when I shoot you in your head, and you know you up next too. So I don't play no games, and I'm rapping out my skull. Better believe you talk that stuff, and I'm busting your light bulb. And I'm too crazy, you know. And I'm coming through that store. I'm mental institution, nigga, in my motherfucking brain. And you know that how I stain the queen of Dickin is my name. Put a blood stain on each of y'all name. I'm aiming at you niggas, and you know that how I do. I put a target on you and you too. Don't be scared, don't try to run, cause I'm shooting number missiles and AK-47 niggas. I'm aiming at you pistols. Nigga, you taught me how I do it, how I supposed to go. I'ma bake you like a K350, and nigga for sure. And you know my money long, just like a train track, and it just like a boomerang. You throw it, ain't coming back. And you know how I go, and my chain hanging low, and I smoke the purple kush, they call it that purple joke. And my bushes, yeah, Lil Queen of Dick, I'm checking out, holla at your boy.